The God Skills Conference for Lawyers is now available right now. You can click the link in the bio and register. Make sure you share this with your attorneys, your lawyers, people in the legal profession. You have to be in the room. I am going to be dropping so many gems for these attorneys and lawyers. You must be there, especially if you're an attorney that specializes in trademark. Okay, I am going to show you some opportunities that you're probably like, no way, Denise, I can't believe they don't have that. Yes, I am going to be dropping some gems with you and showing you the process. You're going to get capability statement templates for lawyers. You're also going to receive some market research. You're going to know who your competitors are because there are lots of lawyers that win government contracts. You're going to see the contract amount that they were awarded. You're going to get like a toolkit to really help you succeed in this new phase of government contracting. We are going to cover government contracts that are not publicly bid. Okay, you're going to get lead strategy, market research, templates, a procurement checklist. Class starts on November 13th, 2023 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, procurementqueen.com. Click the link in the bio to register. God Skills Conference for Lawyers. You got to be in the house.